Breaking AI news. OpenAI has just partnered with Georgia Tech to launch a brand new AI academy. And it could change how the world learns artificial intelligence forever. What does this mean for you? Could this be your shot to learn AI from the top minds at OpenAI? And is this the beginning of a global AI education revolution? Stay with us as we dive into this game-changing development. And by the end of this video, you'll know how you can benefit from the OpenAI Academy. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon. This channel brings you AI breaking news first, faster than anyone else.
Let's go!
Here's the scoop. OpenAI has teamed up with Georgia Tech, one of the world's top tech universities. Together, they're launching an AI academy to make advanced AI education available to everyone. The goal? To teach millions of people the skills they'll need in an AI-powered future. And this isn't some boring online class. This is a full, structured learning platform designed by the same minds behind GPT-4, ChatGPT, and the most powerful models on Earth. Imagine learning AI directly from the people who built ChatGPT. Hands-on projects, real-world applications. No PhD required, built for everyone. Students, creators, entrepreneurs, engineers, even complete beginners. Why Georgia Tech? Because it's a global leader in AI research, robotics, and computer science. They're not just lending their name. Georgia Tech is co-developing the curriculum, mentoring students, and helping scale the academy globally. This is Education 3.0, where top universities and AI giants build the future together. Here's what's in store at the academy. Prompt Engineering 101. Master ChatGPT like a pro. Intro to Machine Learning. Even if you're a total beginner, AI for business. Automate tasks, boost productivity. AI ethics and safety. Understand risks and build responsibly. Advanced AI Dev. For coders ready to build the next GPT. Courses include video lessons, quizzes and hands-on exercises, tools like ChatGPT and Codex, certificates from OpenAI plus Georgia Tech, and yes, many core courses will be free. That's right, free. OpenAI is finally making AI literacy global and accessible. Why is this launching right now? Because the world is falling behind. Companies are racing to hire AI talent, millions of jobs are being reshaped, and most people still don't know how to use ChatGPT properly. The Academy is OpenAI's solution to fix that. If you don't learn AI, you risk being replaced by someone who has. This isn't hype, it's reality. This academy could be your competitive edge. Let's be honest, this move is a direct challenge to traditional universities. Why pay $80K for an outdated degree? When you can learn AI, prompt engineering, and machine learning straight from OpenAI, it's faster, it's cheaper, it's actually relevant. Universities are about to get disrupted hard. Comment below. Do you think AI academies will replace college? Ready to get started? Visit OpenAI's official academy page, coming soon. Join the waitlist or register based on region. Pick your learning track. Start learning with tools you already know, like ChatGPT. This is more than a course. It's a movement. It's the start of a global AI literacy revolution. OpenAI just took a bold step forward. Georgia Tech is right beside them. Together, they're opening the gates for everyone to learn AI. Subscribe now. This is where you hear about it first, every day. Hit that bell so you never miss a breaking AI update. Comment below. Would you enroll in the OpenAI Academy? Why or why not? See you in the next video here on AI Horizon Daily, where the future is decoded daily.